5 ways to experience personal growth even in an upheaval. When you're in upheaval, you tend to hit survival mode pretty quickly. Your life becomes focused on just getting through the day. Beyond that, you don't have the time or energy to care. Now more than ever, you need to take advantage of what time you have for personal growth. When we're challenged is where we rise to the occasion the best. During upheaval, our minds become busy and we start thinking more. It's a great time to take advantage of a mind made flexible by circumstances and learn something new. In short, this is an excellent time for personal growth. Furthermore, the act of bettering yourself gives you a focus, something you can control right now at this moment, helping your mental state. It's all about attitude and the idea you can keep growing even now. How? You learn to embrace adversity. There's no doubt upheaval can make a mess of your life, but as you dig in and start looking for solutions, you're going to discover something about yourself. Adversity brings out your best, forcing you out from complacency to find new solutions. With an open-minded attitude, you can come to embrace adversity. You become more adept at challenges. A crisis demands creative solutions. After all, if the status quo had been working, you wouldn't be where you are now. In the long run, what this means is if you're going to get better at brainstorming and seeing solutions where you haven't before. You become better at seeing the opportunity. Once you look past the disaster itself, you're going to start seeing a chance to shine. There's a great deal of opportunity in upheaval if you can maintain an openness to trying new things and adaptability when it comes to rolling with the punches. Developing this skill now means you're never going to miss an opportunity again. You cultivate positivity. How can you possibly make it through a crisis if all you're doing is focusing on the negative? If you can discover the ability to find the positive and to keep an upbeat attitude even when things are going wrong, you'll be able to stay positive no matter what life throws at you. You develop more empathy. You can't go through these kinds of tough times without learning something about how hard life can be. By leveraging this into empathy, you'll gain more compassion for those around you. Wow, this is a lot. Imagine the newer, stronger version of yourself developing even now. How exciting to think you'll be coming out of this crisis more robust and better than ever before.